given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hello my lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video. So I have some Aliexpress goodies in here. I want some of my videos to be a little bit shorter, so I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff I got from Aliexpress. I will show you the prices, and if I can I will leave the links down below. I also have a new background. I think I'm gonna use this as my background. I really like it. It's really fluffy and soft. But I got some stickers, some press-on nails I want to show you, and we are going to put them on my own nail. And also make sure you stay tuned for my Halloween week. I already have 2 videos ready for my Halloween week, but I need more. So if you have amazing Halloween stuff you saw somewhere, let me know and I will try and get that. Or if you want to see some stuff from last year, I put some photos on Instagram and I already got some feedback of designs I should recreate. And if you have amazing ideas, let me know. So this is one of my Halloween nail creation I did for the Halloween week. But for now we are going to start the video. So the first thing I got was 30 pack transfer nail foil 3D, and it was €1.05, and it looked really new to me. I didn't see it before. You got a little book like this and the instructions are on the background. It's really small. So you got step number 1, transfer glue on your nail, put your nail in the lamp, stick the whole sticker on your nail, and then you have to rub it with a stick and then take the excess off, and you have the foil on your nail. So normally you have the big stripes of foils like this, but this one I saw on Aliexpress, and this is 12 times 30 pieces of number 12, 30 pieces, and I didn't saw it before, so I wanted to try it. So you got little sheets like this with foil. So this is really nice because you don't use that much foil. So these little sheets are really cute, but I think I have all the same ones right here. But you've got this one right here, this one right here, this one right here, and you could just grab one slice out and put them on your nail with transfer foil. So you got multiple colors, and it's really nice because the pieces are really small. So, and for €1.05 you have all different kinds of designs. And yeah, I thought it was really cute. So you got 6 of the designs and then multiple times. So you won't have any waste. Normally you get 1 meter of transfer foil and you use it maybe once or twice and it's sitting there just doing nothing. So this is completely amazing. I really like it, and I think I'm gonna see if I can find more designs of these because this is really nice. So the next thing I got was, let me see, these stickers, and these were 91 cents, and I thought they were really cute and really florally. And I already used some of the stickers on my pinky, but we are going to do a set with these stickers and some press-on nails I got from Aliexpress. But I thought they were really cute. On Instagram I saw some photos coming by with these stickers and I thought they were really cute. You just get 1 sheet of stickers with all different colors and different sizes of flowers. So I think it's really cute. And then the last thing for this haul, I know it's a really short one, but I got this. You can see my youngest son already played with it, so there are a couple nails missing. This was €1.06, and you got 24 pieces of coffin shaped nails, and these are already a color, so you can press these on your nails with base coat and you don't have to do anything about them because they already have a color. And I think they have multiple colors. Let me check for you. Let me go to the side. So you've got your red, your blue, your orange, you've got your transparent, just normal color, you've got your purple, yellow, white, black, and we've got our light pink. And the light pink is the one I got this time, but I think I'm gonna go for orange as well for the Halloween week. So you can do multiple things here. Look at that. Just press them on. And I already tried one of the nails on my pinky to see if it would cure, because sometimes if it's too pigmented the lamp won't go through and the nail won't stick. And this is on for a couple of days now and it's still rocking really nice. So we are going to complete my set because I have 4 empty ones and I don't like it. So we are going to use these on the rest of my nails and make them with some stickers because I really like them. And I want some floral nails just the last time before fall and winter is coming and the Halloween nails. So the first thing we are going to do is measure up all of the nails, and these are going from, let me see, 0 to 11. So you got a whole bunch of different sizes and they are really strong. I have a base coat on here and a top coat and then some stickers, but you can see I pressed really hard, so it's really nice. And on this side it's really thin, so that's really nice too. That's the part that goes on your cuticle. So these are, and here you can see these are really strong. You can see my fingers going yellow from all the pressure I put on this nail. So they are amazing. And we are going to see how long they will last or if I have to file them off for a next design. So let me size these up. So here we have my middle finger and this is a 2. Okay, I have big hands, I know. Then we've got a 4. Yes, and I think I need another 4. For my pointer finger. Yes, and then my thumb. This is a 0 and I think that will work. 0, maybe a 1. No, 1 is too short, so we are going to use those. So let me put this aside. So the next thing we are going to do is buff up my nail. I'm going to use just a hand file because they are already buffed up quite a bit. I will do it off camera. We'll file the top of my nails a little bit and we are going to use prep and primer on the nail, and then we are going in with a press on nail. So I will be right back. So I buffed up my nails and I have my Yayoge nail right here, and I can take the bottom off here because that's really handy if you put pressure on your nail to make it stick and then put it in the lamp just to make sure it hold on. So I'm gonna use Me Too Nails primer or prep, sorry. There we go. And this is just to take extra oils from your nail. It will dehydrate your nail all the way. So at this part you don't want to touch your nails anymore because you have oils in your skin. And if you touch your nails, those oils will go onto the nail and the product won't stay on. Or maybe they will, but there will be lifting. So I will go in with Nail Nails Acid Free Primer. There we go, and we are going to use Model 1's base coat. If I can open it up, there we go. And put base coat inside of the nail. and press it on here and see if there's no bubbles and go into the lamp. And while I was doing that, there we go. And that is what we are going to do to all of the nail and give this a final cure for 60 seconds so they will stay on. So when all of the nails are on, I will be back and we are going to put some of these stickers on these babies. So you don't have to do too much on these nails because they are quite strong themselves, but I want the top coat to stay on here really nice. So I'm gonna lightly buff up these tips and then we are going to put the stickers on there, and then we just need a little top coat just to keep the stickers in its place, and then that's everything for these nails. So if you want to have a manicure, you don't even have to put anything on here, because here you go, you have a complete set, colored and everything. You just need some base coat, a nail lamp, and you have a mani to go. Also with Halloween, just grab the orange ones, put them on your nails, make some eyes and a mouth with some black polish, and you have cute as pumpkin nails. And it just takes a couple of minutes to get amazing nails. You want to make sure, if you want them to last, to do your prep the right way. Make sure you cure them fully in the lamp and they will last you for weeks. And that just at home, easy like that. So we are going to grab our pincer right there and put some of these flowers on my nails. So I think I want, I think it's too big. This rainbow color one, I really like this one. And I tried it on base coat, but with base coat the stickers will get loose, so I'm gonna use just a dry surface for these flowers. So we are going to grab this cute blue one. And we have more rainbow ones. And there we go. And I really like this red one. And I think we are going to grab a really small one. Let me see. No, I ripped it. Look at that. How colorful and easy is this? We're going to grab a really big one. Look how cute, and I think matte they will look as amazing. But now we are going to use Model 1's top coat and seal them in, and then cure those for 60 seconds in the lamp. So here are they top coated and I think they are adorable. So we need some cuticle oil to give them crusty as cuticles. Some treatment they need. So there we go. So go check out those links on Aliexpress. If you try them already, please let me know. I really like to hear your thoughts about it, but I think they are amazing for just your really quick, easy mani. Look at that. And it took me just a couple of minutes to get my nails ready, and they are really nice. Look at that, and they are really strong, and that's the thing I love the most. So you don't need 10 coats of base coat, top coat, color and everything. You have your color already and you just put them on your nails and you're ready to go out. So please let me know what you think of these nails, what do you think of these stickers, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to